to the recall of veteran reggae boy, Jermaine Teddy Johnson, to the national senior football squad at 36 years old and counting. Now, conventional football wisdom would suggest that Teddy's international career was long over, especially with the Jamaican squad in a rebuilding mode. But I think there are some extenuating circumstances that make this Teddy Johnson recall a reasonable recall. First of all, Teddy literally kicked down the door to force his way back into the national squad based on his performances in the Red Stripe Premier League. The man dropped back on Jamaica after over a decade in England and is the leading goal scorer and the biggest star in the Premier League. The man deserved his selection. Next thing, the coach and management of the team and Teddy himself said that Teddy will be like an elder statesman or a mentor for the young players in the squad, and we could not have a problem with that. But my most fundamental reason for agreeing 100% with this Teddy Johnson reselection is that he brings the crucial but missing qualities of skill, creativity, and pace going forward. Jamaica remains the only team in the entire world trying to play football without skill and creativity. And that is what Teddy Johnson will bring to this team. His ability to run at defenders and discombobulate defenses and create and score chances for Jamaica. And so, it is indeed a welcome sight to see a creative baller in the Jamaican side, whether he is 16, 26, or 36 years old. So we welcome back Teddy Johnson, even if he is 46 or 56 years old. Thank you.